Вітаю вас, шановні! Вітаю вас у новій частці Ghost of Tsushima. Поки ви ставите подобайки, підписуйтесь на канал, ми починаємо. І так, покуль я не записував, я зробив трошечки прокачки, так би мовити, пару легендаў, ну і гэтак далей. На бягучы момант мы вяртаемся ў сюжэт, які нас набліжае да фінальнай бойкі.
Who goes there?
I'm Lord Sakai. You must be our reinforcements.
That is correct. I am Lord Sadamane Oga, bannerman to the Shogun.
Welcome to Tsushima.
Thank you, Lord Sakai. The Shogun dispatched us the moment we received your message. Your uncle just issued the order. We're to ride to battle, defeat the Khan, and reclaim Castle Shimura from the Mongol invaders.
Excellent. Rally your men. I need to check on someone first.
I'll wait for you by the northern gate. Then we'll ride to meet your uncle together.
Так, добре.
I didn't know you returned.
I hope
Масако.
you're not being too hard on them, Lady Masako.
They can take it. The Yetikawa peasants are hardier than they look. Stubborn, too.
More stubborn than you?
Not a chance. A week ago, they would have spit on the names Sakai and Arachi. But after what you did in Yetikawa, they're here because of you.
Then I won't disappoint them.
Nor will I.
Norio, busy training our new recruits?
О, гэта монах.
I just finished leading them in meditation. Samurai, the people of Yarikawa, every spirit needs a moment of quiet before battle. To accept the impermanence of life and the possibility of death.
Wise words. Will you meditate with me?
It would be my honor.
Бойові монахи.
Thank you, Norio.
May the Buddha watch over you, Lord Sakai.
Ну, кунай.
Check those wheels.
Кенджи.
I see you're hard at work.
Someone's got to make sure the battering ram's ready for battle. This thing falls apart. There's no way we're breaking into your uncle's castle.
If only we'd had one to breach Azumo Bay.
You didn't like hiding in my car?
I didn't like reeking of sake.
You not told me about Taka. He's a braver bastard than I ever was.
If Taka were here, I'm sure he'd disagree.
Well, I'll try not to let him down.
Які усі спочиваючіся. О, спадар Шикава.
Back, Lord Sakai.
Sensei, I see you've met our reinforcements.
The Shogun's bannermen are elite warriors, but even they would benefit from archery practice.
And the peasants?
Impressive. In raw talent, if not in skill.
High praise coming from you.
Yarikawa used to be the backbone of our island. We could send the Mongols running for their boats. With a month of heavy training.
You have 1 hour.
Then you should stop distracting me.
Так, зосталася тільки Юна. Хлопці, Юну бачили, ні?
It's time, Yuna. The samurai are here. Everyone's preparing for battle. Did you get some rest?
I couldn't.
I'm sorry. Taka should be here.
He believed in you. No, so do the people of Yarikawa. Because you stood up for them when no one else would. They're risking their lives for the ghost.
I will give my life for the people of Tsushima. And for you.
Романтика
Let's
подъехала.
hope it doesn't come to that.
Take care, you know. I need to meet Lord Oga.
I'll see you on the battlefield.
Ну, шчыра кажучы, такія задачы, калі трэба з некім паразмаўляць, гэта не абавязкова такі дыялог, маналог. То бок, ну, такое, разумееце? Так, дзе той йога? Ось ён, добра.
Lord Sakai,
Lord Oga. Where's my uncle?
waiting for you atop the hill. Clan Oga would be honored to escort you to his post.
I'm glad for the company. We'd better not keep the
Конечно.
Khan waiting.
Splendid.
Давай. Куди, Сора? Побігли, хлопці.
You're to be commended, Lord Sakai. To rescue your uncle, then recruit the Yarikawa outcasts.
They may not be trained warriors, but I trust them with my life.
Then I will do the same. Is it true the people have a name for you? Ghost.
They needed something to believe in after the samurai were defeated.
Now the samurai are back. It's time we put these folktales to bed and re-establish the Shogun's law.
It's time we save this island, and the people who call it home. Politics can wait until the Khan is dead.
Of course, Lord Sakai. Lord Shimura, your nephew has arrived.
Jin, up here.
Длинную дробину побудовали. Что такое? Сумуешь пожонцы? Роги отрастил.
You've done well, Jin. We now have everyone we need to reclaim my castle.
I dealt with the Straw Hats, but Ryuzo escaped with the Khan. They wanted me to betray you.
You spoke to the Khan?
I was captured.
If I'd known, I would have marched my entire army to save you.
Yuna helped me escape. But her brother... he died with honor.
The Khan will pay for his sacrifice. And for all you've endured. Jin, the Shogun formally supports my decision to adopt you. When our island is saved, you will be heir to Clan Shimura. Not as a ghost, but as a samurai.
I won't disappoint you, Uncle.
Today we ride into battle as Sakai and Shimura. Tomorrow we celebrate victory as father and son.
Samurai pride themselves on their honor code. But it also makes them rigid, predictable, easy to break. Ghost has no limits. This makes him dangerous.
This is our moment, Jin. The fate of our island hangs on this battle.
We will take the Khan's head. Together.
And personally deliver it to the Shogun.
Warriors of Tsushima! Today we defeat Khotun Khan! Retake Castle Shimura! And drive the Mongols from our home! Follow Lord Shimura to victory! Kill them all! Don't back down! Fight!
This is
Push through! Push forward!
Так, побегли далей.
This is for my brother! Everyone to the gates! Push through! Bring forward the battering ram! Forward! Show the Mongols we will not be denied! Archers! Move to higher ground!
Тут же были гэты, монгольские лучники.
Clear the way ahead! Orso! Strike them down, Lord Sakai! Keep swinging, Norio!
Чакай, я тут лутаюся. Тут вельми важно полутаться. О, нават меч сховав уже. І що собі? Ну що, далі, хлопці? Ні, хто ще тут є.
Warriors! Break through that gate!
Так, у нас є заражений режим Гоуста. Побігли. Зараз ми їм дадим усім. Ну, нечто мало мы тут их покромсали. Чакай, что тут у нас? Так, ми знову заряджені. Где он там? Кричит. А, наверсе. Давай, 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 ползи по этой драбине.
Scout the path ahead. We don't want any surprises.
И что тут у нас?
Run home, Japanese dogs! This gate will not open for you.
Так это же наш дом. Він каже, біжите додому. Так это же наш дом.
Run, cowards! Jin! What are you doing?
Clearing the way.
Not like that. Never like that. Face them as a warrior with honor, not a monster.
It's all they understand.
Terror is not the weapon of a samurai.
Хоча.
That tower. They'll block our advance.
This is your chance, Lord Sakai. Destroy their weapon with honor. I will hold the line and draw their fire.
Ти заєбав за своєю годністю уже.
Hold the position. Lord Sakai, take the Huacha.
Где она стоит? Вон там. Не, мне ты не подобаешься. Як до їх долізти? А ось. Драбіна. Зараз постріляємо трохи. Юна, ты меня удивляешь.
More Mongols on the path up to the bridge.
I see them.
Безконце набої. Уся? Пошли вниз.
You were right to terrorize the Mongols at the gate. Your uncle was wrong.
I can't make him understand. We'll die if we don't change.
You are the only reason we've made it this far. And everyone knows it.
Чекай, что тут смачного? Не, кунай это не самое смачное. Мне железо, сталь, высвет.
Khan is losing ground.
Так, там дядька наш. Гэта было як у Mortal Kombat. Далее штурмуем. Эх, я подумал, что там supply.
Everyone to the bridge! Tsushima! Tsushima! Drive them back to the sea! Kill them all!
Не, ну як так?
We're almost to the Khan! All that remains is to take the bridge, and then to keep beyond it!
Тут только кунаи засталися и стики-бомби всякие. Гэта мне не цікаво. О, жановые ще воюють з ними, ну, кольки ж можна.
Warriors! Break through that gate! Lord Sakai! We will fire on them from above! Yuna! We need your bow!
Right behind you!
Ой, зараз з луку стрілять, а я гэта так не люблю на геймпаді робити.
Khan wouldn't give up like this! Something's wrong!
Зараз буде бадабум.
Open fire!
They're pulling explosives!
Shoot the horses! Shoot them!
Those poor souls.
He sent them to die. For nothing.
We must honor their sacrifice. Gather our best soldiers, and we'll repair the bridge and attack at dawn.
No. We've lost too many. If you had listened to me...
Enough!
There is another way.
We will discuss it alone.
Упартий як баран. Другий пункт. Зараз прокачку зробимо.
The Mongols are on the defensive. We will strike before they regroup and end this war tomorrow.
You sent our men to die.
They are soldiers.
Their blood is on our hands. I can find a way past the bridge. Poison the enemy.
An act of terror.
I am trying to save our people.
By teaching them to fear us. If you continue down this path, you will be no better than the Mongols. I trained you to fight with honor.
Honor died on the beach. The Khan deserves to suffer.
You are ruled by your emotion.
I sacrificed everything I knew to save our people. I gave them hope. You did nothing. No. We're finished.
Сумно. Так, дзе моя дзяўчына? Яна яшчэ пра гэта не ведае. О! А ну-ка.
Something for every type of armor.
Тадайори, травелер з рогами. Ні, не
You have
хочу.
my thanks.
Коваль!
Whatever your sword needs. You
Добре.
would like to finish.
Що нам потрібно на...
Apologies.
Ой,
You
боже.
don't have what we need to do the work.
Потрібне железо, навіть золото потрібне. А йолупала. До холєра всього потрібно.
Your blade will keep us safe.
Так, Юна, ти де?
Lord Sakai.
Хто гэта? Нехта злева, гэта бок, али што? Дзе? Жин. Ну што? Давай диверсію зробимо якого-небудь, а?
They're patching the bridge on your uncle's orders.
Lord Shimura is determined to see his plan through, no matter how many lives it costs.
These people came here to fight. For you.
How much wolfsbane can you find in the next hour?
A few handfuls.
Talk to the others. Tell them to gather all you can carry.
They're going to poison the Mongols.
I'll find a way into the castle, then slip it into their drinks. Watch the Khan choke on his own blood.
Your uncle's going to find out.
I know.
Taka was making something for you. I wasn't sure you'd want it, but now, if something happens,
It won't.
he'd want you to have it.
Ну что там было такое? Давай, показывай. Что там так зробив? Показать. Сквозь темру.
This is all the wolfsbane we found. Will it be enough?
I'll make sure it is.
Ghost Armor. Ну давай. Ghost Mask. Headband.
If I reach that tower, I can scout the Khan's forces. Find a way to poison his army.
Чому менавіта такі шлях? Ти ж нормально збивав усіх. Навошта тобі їх отрушувати? Так, мы сюда и не пройдем. Аж ти у воду. Ні? Ага. Цікаво. А як у такому разі? А як туди попасть? Сюди так само не пройти, то треба йти ніяк по мостику. Якось складано. Спайдермен, Спайдермен, там-дарам-дам-та-там-да-дам. Давай, караскайся. Далі куди? О, йолупа. А далі? Ззаду нічого нема, спереду що? О. Галінка ніяка. Чекай, чекай. О, прокралися. Добре. Давай, 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 иди.
Better take out the guards quietly. Then I can scout from the top floor.
Ага, серое забойство в это на White.
Poison all of them. The garden path. Light defenses, plenty of cover. A straw hat. Ryuzo. Of course he's here. They're preparing a feast. I can poison the Khan's fermented milk. Let his army drink the arag, then kill any survivors. Fortified defenses. Explosives. My uncle's leading us into a massacre. Now to reach the arag without raising alarm. Better take the garden path.
Samurai for your Samsono. Tertin Bagayu, you Malkas. Yavchihuch, Gishde Bolgomste, Achad Uchirvo, Uchtil Bologno.
Ладно, нема тут что больше робить. А, ну все, так. І вони просто подохли, і ви такі, ну окей. З ким не здарається. Добре, 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 добре. Ага. Тобто я можу його тут звалити.
Ой! Отстань, ну!
Яахлаар бидний хинэн ч хардгүй лээ. Ямар ч орноо.
На жаль, тут
Энд харагдахгүй байна.
трави нема.
Серенстебе, Зарамултар, Чадакве, Юм Алак.
Все ці ні. Хе-хе. Просто супер.
Энд байна. Тэр хаанигтээ зогтчих.
Так, 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 так. І он там стоїть і просто позирає сюди. Просто позирає сюди. Раз, два, три. Серию забойства зробить, кажется, так. Хто там заорав? Чого пожаєш? Нарешті,
Now to reach their
прикрався.
feast and poison their drinks.
Подається, що так. Бо такої кількості монголів там не було в Огоді. Это означает, что нема сенсу. Нема сенсу стоять там на одной гэтай кропцы ды вынішчаць іх усіх. Трэба неяк праходзіць паўз гэта ўсё. Так. Цікаво, ось той хлопець ён заўважыць. Ці не, я не разумею. Так. Тихо, 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 нема нікого. Тобі подалося.
That's where they store the milk. Now to add the poison.
Ну і як ти хочеш додати її? Нічого я не розумію. Так. Дротиків нема. Ёлопалы, что за глупство? Глядеть сюда. А ты не гляди сюда. Отвернись. Чуешь? А навошта робіць усё чорным, хлопцы?
І не постатуге!
О, яка у нас наступна задача? Треба зустрітися з ханом. Цікаво, коли я з сестрануся і можу підробити гэты режим привіда. Было б неблаго. Так, у іх тут заўсёды ляжыць. Мноства рэчаў, асабліва ось в таких юртах, ці як яны там клічуцца. Мне ж патрэбна ўсё ж таки жалеза, да ўсё астатняе, ўсё. Я прайшоў, пайшлі далей.
Jin!
Where's the Khan?
He rode north. Made me stay behind to collect the ghost's head.
Then come claim it.
No.
Починається,
I could have
бляха.
killed you earlier. Instead, I convinced the Khan to give you a chance.
He murdered Taka.
And you slaughtered my men. I've lost everything. Except you. We can defeat the Mongols together.
After everything you've done!
Tell the people I was your spy. Sent to gain the Khan's trust. They'll believe the ghost.
Stop!
Можна питатися. А з якої нагоди тобі пробачати, а? Дарувати твоє зрадництво?
Surrender. And answer for your crimes. For both our sakes.
I can't.
should have surrendered.
I won't die by your uncle's hand.
You won't stop me, Ryuzo.
Джин, блядь.
You broke your uncle's code.
You left me no choice. I'll never forgive you.
Jin. Please.
Goodbye, Ryuzo. Ryuzo.
Good.
Одной проблемы меньше. Ты откуда тут взялся? Сколько ты ведал, что уже можно выходить, а?
The castle is yours. The Khan marches north. We can head him off.
You defied me.
I did what I had to. For them.
Is this how you want to be remembered?
He defended us.
By spreading fear and chaos.
We are at war.
And you are acting like the enemy. This is not our way.
Your way can't save our people.
The Shogun will demand a head. But it does not have to be yours. I know she drove you to this.
Uncle.
Renounce the ghost. You must blame her for this outrage. Tell them. You are Jin Shimura. Loyal servant to the Shogun. My heir. My son.
I am not your son.
Як хутко все змінилося.
And you will be judged for it.
Find the Khan.
Jin.
Futaka. Go.
Так, гэта хіба што ўспамін нейкі. Не ўспамін. Тут ён дарослы. Мне падалося, што ён малы быў. Гонор і попел.
What do you want? Lord Shimura asked me to deliver Sake, a reward for helping.
О, Кенджи. Хе-хе, здорово.
He's not going anywhere. Wait too long, and your friends will drink it all.
I haven't had anything but water since we got here.
Then you deserve it, my lord.
Kenji, what are you doing?
What does it look like? Let's go!
If I run, I won't be able to unite our people against the Khan. I'll never regain my uncle's trust.
If you stay, he'll ship you to the Shogun for judgment. The orders just came through. The people need you, Lord Sakai. Yuna needs you.
Where is she?
Up north, tracking the Khan in the frozen wastes. She has your sword. She's waiting for the ghost.
Forgive me, uncle. Find Masako, Norio, and Sensei Ishikawa. Get them to Omi village. Yuna and I will open the pass for you to join us.
She's waiting in Kin with your equipment at the sacred tree. Your horse is at the outer stables. A servant told me about a damaged fence near the gate. You can slip out that way. I'll distract the men outside. But I don't want to be here when they find out you're gone.
Thank you, Kenji.
Так, гэта моя камера, чакай. А дзе моя зброя? А можна неяк там было такое, ведаеце? Всякая армор, гэтак далей. А, ось, вакенс. Давай. Так, трэба неяк пакінуць гэты замак, так?
Won't miss the gate this way.
Here, let me pour you another.
Чакай, я тут не пройду. Праз масток гэты. О, драбіна.
Rumor is he'll be giving a speech outside the main keep tonight.
Is it safe?
Let's hope so.
The way he killed him, he's not human.
А ці я магу пролезці ось тут? Не, мне сюды не трэба, калі што. Мне трэба неяк тут праскачыць. Ось тут паўз іх. Бля, ну чаму так усё складана? Чаму вось трэба неяк па дахах? Але як я тут пройду, я не разумею. Ну, спрабуем, но...
We won't fall for that trick again.
Ой, усё ноччу, калі няма ніякай бачнасці. Ай-яй-яй-яй. Так, схаваемся тут. Чакай, Джин. Зараз пойдзем далей. Так, готово. Сюда идем. И тут дырка. Так? Тут дырка, конечно. Другий этап покутал.
Сора.
О, Нам у стайні треба.
Sakai escaped! Search everywhere! Find him!
Should we help search, my lord?
Так, так.
You may have run north. You two, on your horses. The rest of you, man the gate.
Чекай, ну куди ж ти так, а? Что? Давай.
There he is, on the horse. Stop him!
Ты сраку моего коня пробил.
We have to reach Jin. Yuna's waiting for us.
Кинематографичненько. А чому він не допомагає своєму коню? Ой, Джин.
I'm sorry I couldn't protect you.
Ветер дуе, попел лететь. Карацей. Нешта адчуванне поўнага пиздеца нейка. Прыбачце. Што я магу сказаць на гэты конт? Дзякуй, што мы выратавались, але сору, шкада. Не так шкада, як таку. Так, як у мінулы раз, але ўсё ж такі другая серыя ці эпізод запар, у якім мы губляем кагосьці нам вельмі каштоўнага. Джин, го ўжо перабіваць, шчыра кажучы. Ну, на бягучы момант мы гэтую серыю скончым. Магчыма, хтосьці падумае, што занадта сумна. Мне падаецца, ўсё ж такі мы павінны прайсці праз гэта. Выглядае ён так дзіўненька ў гэтай спадніцы. Карацей, дзякуй вялікі вам за прагляд, дзякуй, канешне, за падабайкі, за падпіскі вам асобныя, шчырыя дзякуй. І на бягучы момант мы з гэтым скончылі, з бягучай серыі. Мы пачалі новы акт, і ў новым акце ўжо у новы акт ужо будзем гуляць у новай серыі на наступным эпізодзе. Падтрымлівайце вольных беларусаў, падтрымлівайце Украіну і да пабачэння.